In 2008, a mysterious figure or team known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the world's first blockchain in his seminal white paper. His paper described Bitcoin, a digital currency where people could transact without banks or intermediaries, a radical shift from traditional finance. In traditional finance, a single centralized authority would approve and process the records like your transactions or customer data. However, in Bitcoin, the network as a group is the authority. In short, there is no single centralized authority. Several nodes, also known as validators, keep a copy of the entire record on their own devices, and any one of them can suggest changes to the data in the form of a new block. For suggesting changes, they get incentivized in Bitcoins. But this decentralization posed a big challenge. If anyone could suggest changes, how could the system not get chaotic with multiple versions of truth? Nakamoto's solution? Proof of work. To add a new block to Bitcoin, validators or nodes must compete by solving complex puzzles. This incredibly hard puzzle involves guessing the right output number by trying several input numbers, also popularly known as mining. Once the winning number is found, the miner wins the right to add the block. At the same time, it transmits a copy of this new block to the other nodes, and they update their copy with this new block. But proof of work has a major downside: energy consumption. Bitcoin alone consumes around 136 terawatt hours annually, more than the entire country of Poland. To solve proof of work's energy issue, newer blockchains use proof of stake. This approach uses a lottery rather than a puzzle to appoint the winning node. To be selected in this lottery, validators buy stake in the network. Buying more stake is like buying more lottery tickets. It increases your odds of winning. Since no puzzle solving is required, this is a faster and less resource-intensive method. Ethereum shifted from proof of work to proof of stake in 2022, reducing its energy consumption by 99.9%. Not all blockchains need proof of work or proof of stake. Some, like Kelp network, use a consensus model called Raft, where a central validator proposes updates and others approve them, ensuring efficiency and regulatory compliance. From proof of work to proof of stake to Raft, consensus mechanisms are the backbone of blockchain security. But security isn't just about consensus. How does blockchain protect your data from hackers? In our next episode, we'll explore the cryptographic foundations of blockchain and how they ensure security at the core of blockchain.